For what purpose does the gentleman from California seek recognition?
Address the House for 1 minute and rise to finish my comments.
Without objection, the gentleman is recognized for 1 minute.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise today to tell the story of how Northern California communities that I represent will be harmed by sequestration. Travis Air Force Base in my district makes sure that the equipment and personnel that our military needs are delivered quickly and safely around the world. They're the world's first responder when disasters strike. 3,200 civilians will be furloughed beginning next week. They will have a loss of some $30 million of income over the next 6 months. Near Marysville, California, Beale Air Force Base operates intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions that supply our nation's military with timely information to save American lives on the battlefield. 1,400 civilians there will be furloughed, $13 million in lost wages. Families and their income are important, but so is national security, which will be compromised by sequestration. Yuba City, one of the major places in the United States with flood problems, will see their critical levee protection that the Army Corps of Engineers is working on delayed and not completed for next winter's floods. The University of California, Davis will similarly be harmed. It's time to end sequestration and move H.R. 699, and I ask unanimous consent that that bill be brought up for a vote.